my sewing area. Then my soap station is gonna go here where I'll make all the soap. And then this is where I'll display all the soaps that I made so that they can cure. Also some of the ingredients that I use for my soaps so far in my little office space. The room is complete. This is like the office area. There's my soap supply. That says what's in your soap. And this is where I will be making the soaps. Still need to hang the picture, but that's fine. And this is the sewing room. The sewing spot. I still need a table for my sewing machine. But yeah, this is it. It's complete. First soap, like I always do, will be my turmeric soap. So yeah, that's gonna be my first soap that I'll be making, some turmeric soap.